Hey guys, so this is my chicken knees. It's my little thingy to hold them, and there's a chicken right there. So they like to lay there. And there's some chickens over here. There's my dog. If you hear barking, that's my dog. As you know, you hear rooster noise too. Yeah, and so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 eggs so far. And I don't want to go over there because the rooster is right by my dad. And sometimes the rooster attacked me. My dad was in the coop, so he was like, "What's going on?" He was like all worried. He thought someone took me. So I'm like, "Ah!" I was screaming so loudly.
Gina, what are you doing? Let me see them.
Rooster! You almost lost an egg. Yeah, we gotta go check the other spots for the eggs.
What are you doing?
Look, those are rotten eggs. Oh, he's flapping his wings.